Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we will learn what is the meaning of complementary angles. Complementary angles, and also we will learn what is the meaning of supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So these two definitions and meanings is very important in geometry. Okay. Yes. So first we will see. We will learn about complementary angles. Complementary angles. So very important definition in geometry for 6th and 7th, 8th classes. Okay. So this is some basic concept in geometry. Okay. Yes. Now what is the meaning of complementary angles? So now I will write one definition here. From the definition you can understand what is the meaning of complementary angles. Yes. Okay. If the sum of any two angles, the sum of any two angles is right angle. Observe here, if the sum of any two angles is right angle, so right angle means what? 90 degrees. Then the two angles are called as complementary angles. Complementary angles. That's it. So this is a very simple definition I given here for complementary angles. If sum of any two angles is right angle, nothing but 90 degrees, then the two angles are called as complementary angles. Example. Now take any two angles whose sum is equals to 90 degrees. So for example, I will take here 60 degrees one angle and 30 degrees second angle. Now these two angles are called as complementary angles. Why? Because sum of these two angles we will get 90 degrees. Okay. See observe here. Sum of any two angles. How much we have to get? We have to get 90 degrees. Then it is called as complementary angles. Okay. Next one. 50 degrees, 40 degrees. These both are also called as complementary angles. And also we can take 0 degrees, 90 degrees. These both angles are also called as complementary angles. 10 degrees, 80 degrees. These both are also called as complementary angles. Why? Because sum of this both gives 90. Okay. Yes. Next, coming to second one, that is supplementary angles. Next one is what? Supplementary angles. So I will write here the definition of supplementary angles. From that we can understand what is it. Okay. Yes. If the sum of any two angles, if the sum of any two angles is straight angle, straight angle means what? 180 degrees. Straight angle means what? 180 degrees. Then the two angles, okay, then the two angles are called as supplementary angles. That's it. Are called as supplementary angles. This is the simple definition for supplementary angles. Examples. Now we will take some examples for supplementary angles. Take two angles. Sum of two angles should be equal to 180 degrees. Okay. So like that we have to take some examples now. Let us take 70 degrees first angle. Second angle I am taking 110 degrees. 70 plus 110, 180 degrees. Okay, next one. We can take 90 and 90 also we can take. Next. 0 degrees, 180 degrees. These both are called as supplementary angles. Next. Next what you can take? Let us take 50 degrees, 130 degrees. These both 50 and 130 are called as supplementary angles. Next what you can take still? 120 degrees, 60 degrees. 120 and 60, these both are called as supplementary angles. That's it. So what are complementary angles? I explained. I given definition here and examples. What are supplementary angles? I given definition here, examples. Very simple definitions. Okay. Sum of two angles equals to 90. Then the two angles are called as complementary angles. Sum of two angles 180 degrees. Then these two angles are called as supplementary angles. Not only these two. So any angles you can take, any angles, but sum should be 180. If two angles sum is 180, supplementary. Two angles sum is 90 degrees, complementary. That's it. Okay. Complementary means 90. Supplementary means 180. Remember like that. Okay. Yes. Thank you.